Hi everyone, we are going to start Cambridge International AS and A level pure mathematics 3 paper for the session May-June 2025. Let's move to the question number 1. Sketch the graph of y is equal to absolute value of 2x minus 3. So we have the equation y is equal to 2x minus 3. First we find the x-intercept. X-intercept. To find x-intercept, we will use y is equal to 0. So 2x minus 3 absolute value is equal to 0, and this one is equal to x minus 3 equal to 0, and in this case we have x is equal to 3 over 2. So x is equal to 3 over 2 is the x-intercept. Now we find the y-intercept. Y-intercept, x is equal to 0, so we have y is equal to absolute value of 2x minus 3, and when we plug x is equal to 0 we will have negative 3. So absolute value is positive 3. Now we plug x is equal to 1. So we will have y is equal to absolute value of 2 times 1 minus 3. And in this case, we will have y is equal to negative 1. So absolute value of negative 1 is 1. And when we plug y is equal to 2, we will have y is equal to absolute value of 2 times 2 minus 3, which is equals to positive 1. And the absolute value of positive 1 is 1. We have the point 3 over 2 comma 0 in this case, and we will have 0 comma 3 in this case. And when we have the x coordinate 1, we have y coordinate 1. When we have x coordinate 2, y coordinate 1. Now let's plot it. This is the x-axis 1, 2, 3, and this one is 4. And y-axis has 1, 2, and this one is 3, suppose. Now we have to plot 3 over 2. 3 over 2 is 1.5, so 3 over 2 0, so this one is 3 over 2 comma 0. Now 0 comma 1, so this one is 0 comma 3. This one. We have the point 1 comma 1, so this one is 1 comma 1. And x2 2 comma 1 is 2 comma 1. When we plot, we will have like this. So this is the V shape we will get while plotting to absolute value of 2x minus 3. And in this case, this is a 2x minus 3 when x is greater than 3 over 2. And this line represents negative 1 time 2x minus 3 when we have x is less than 3 over 2. And we have the x-intercept at x is equal to 3 over 2. Now let's move to the part B. Solve the inequality 3x minus 1 less than equals to absolute value of 2x minus 3. So we already have the graph. Now we plot 3x minus 1 equals to y. For x-intercept, y is equal to 0 and x is equal to 1 by 3. Y-intercept, x is equal to 0, so we will have y is equal to negative 1. Okay, let's plot it. This point is 1 over 3 comma 0, and this one is 0 comma negative 1. 0 comma negative 1. This one is negative 1. So 0 comma negative 1 is this one. Similarly, 1 over 3 comma 0 is this one. So when we plot it, we will have like this. So this line represents 3x minus 1 equals to y. So we need to solve the inequality when 3x minus 1 is less than absolute value of 2x minus 3. So we can see that the intersecting point lie on negative 2x minus 3. So we can say that 3x minus 1 less than negative 2x minus 3. Further solving, we will have 3x minus 1 less than negative 2x plus 3. Further solving, we will have 3x minus 1 plus 2x minus 3 less than 0. So in this case, we will have 5x minus 4 less than 0 and x is less than 4 over 5. 4 over 5, this point, 4 over 5. So solution will lie in this. This is the required solution. So x is less than 4 over 5.